Hi, well it's December in the kitchen garden, and you might be wondering, it's a beautiful day today, we're in the polytunnel so it's lovely and warm. You might be wondering what you could sow at this time of year. Well, even if you haven't got a polytunnel, what you can grow is some windowsill herbs. In the garden centre the other day and saw this pack, and it's a pack of 10 seed mats. Really easy to use. This one's got basil, mint, coriander, parsley and chives. And all you need is a pot, which you can fill with any sort of compost, any good multi-purpose, preferably peat-free compost. Give it a tap. And then what we've got in here, I think, because I haven't opened the packet yet, is some seed mats. Get the packet open. Oh yeah. So you've got 10 little mats, and it tells you what's on them. So we've got chives there, a couple of mats of chives, there's the parsley, coriander and so on. And what it is just biodegradable, obviously, because it's paper, very thin. And all you need to do, if you worry about sowing, or if you tend to sow and get seeds a little bit thick and waste seeds, this makes it as simple as it possibly could be. So pre-sown, we've got I don't know, probably about 30 seeds in there. And all you need to do is just pop that on top, push it down so it's in contact with the compost, and then cover it over. Just a little light covering a compost, label it up, water it in. Now I have used these seed mats before and they are very good, but they do need a little bit more water than an ordinary seeds. Obviously the paper absorbs some water, and the little seedlings push their way out as the paper biodegrades, which doesn't take very long. But if the paper's always damp and you don't let them dry out, then the seedlings can get through that much more easily and quickly. So do give them a little bit of water, keep them moist for the first week or so. It should take about 7 to 10 days to germinate, depending on what herb you've sown. We've got parsley in there, that's a little bit erratic, so that might take a little bit longer. In fact, if you don't see anything for a month, don't panic, you might take a bit longer. What I would do this time of year, we're talking about December now, we're in December, put them in a propagator, heated propagator, about 15 degrees, just so it's just gentle heat until they come through, and then they can sit on a nice sunny south-facing, west-facing windowsill and just grow on. And a much better way than buying pots of herbs from a supermarket, because you're recycling your pots, you're growing these yourself. This was $4.99 for 10, so you're getting 10 pots of herbs out of this, which is a lot cheaper than buying them from the shops. So do give it a try, and it's something you can do even in midwinter.